Fermented honey garlic has been gaining attention for its potential health benefits and flavorful taste. In this video, we'll explore the various advantages of consuming fermented honey garlic and guide you through the process of making this natural remedy at home. Whether you're a health enthusiast or a culinary adventurer, this is a must-watch for anyone interested in holistic wellness and DIY fermentation. Before we deep dive into today's video, I invite you to subscribe to support our channel. So let's delve into the power of honey garlic and uncover the secrets behind its growing popularity. The health benefits of fermented honey garlic. Fermented honey garlic offers a myriad of health benefits, making it an excellent addition to your wellness routine. Fermented honey garlic has been traditionally used to support and strengthen the immune system, helping the body fend off common illnesses such as colds and flu. The combination of honey and garlic creates a potent blend rich in natural compounds that may aid in bolstering the body's defense mechanisms. This natural immune-boosting potential can be attributed to garlic's antimicrobial properties and honey's soothing effects. The consumption of fermented honey garlic may contribute to reducing inflammation within the body. Garlic contains sulfur compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that could help alleviate inflammatory conditions. When combined with the soothing properties of honey, this fermented blend may assist in easing discomfort associated with inflammation. Further, this offers a natural approach to promoting overall bodily comfort. Fermented honey garlic is rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress and protecting the body from free radicals. The allicin present in garlic and the diverse array of phytonutrients in honey contribute to the potent antioxidant effects of this fermented blend. Regular consumption may aid in neutralizing free radicals, thereby supporting cellular health and promoting overall well-being. Eating fermented garlic daily may provide a natural and holistic approach to fortifying the immune system, addressing inflammation, and harnessing its antioxidant properties. How to make fermented honey garlic. Fermented honey garlic is a delightful and health-boosting concoction that's easy to make at home. It offers a perfect blend of sweet and savory flavors, while providing numerous health benefits. Here's how you can create your own batch of this delightful concoction. To make fermented honey garlic, you'll need the following ingredients. 1. Raw honey. Choose high-quality raw honey that is unfiltered and unpasteurized. 2. Garlic cloves. Use fresh, firm garlic cloves with the papery skin removed. 3. Optional herbs or spices. You can personalize your fermented honey garlic by adding herbs or spices such as thyme or rosemary. Preparation and fermentation. The preparation process for fermented honey garlic is relatively simple. Start by peeling the garlic cloves and placing them in a clean, sterile jar. Next, pour the raw honey over the garlic cloves, ensuring that they are completely submerged. Once the garlic cloves are submerged in honey, cover the jar with a breathable cloth secured with a rubber band. Place the jar in a warm, dark location to kickstart the fermentation process. Over the next few weeks, the garlic cloves will slowly ferment in the honey, creating a unique blend of flavors. It's important to check the jar periodically to release any built-up gas from the fermentation process. This will prevent pressure from building up inside the jar. After a few weeks, the fermented honey garlic will be ready for consumption. You can store it in the refrigerator to halt the fermentation process and preserve its flavor and texture. Safety considerations. During the fermentation process, it's essential to observe a few safety measures to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. Here are some considerations to keep in mind. 1. Before starting the fermentation process, ensure that your jars, utensils, and work surfaces are thoroughly clean and sanitized to prevent contamination. 2. When fermenting honey garlic, it's crucial to provide proper ventilation to release any carbon dioxide produced during the process. 2. This can be achieved by using a breathable cloth to cover the jar. 3. After fermentation, store the fermented honey garlic in the refrigerator to prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms and maintain its freshness. 3. Proper storage will also halt the fermentation process, preserving the flavor and texture of the final product. By following these safety considerations, you can create a delicious batch of fermented honey garlic that's not only flavorful, but also safe for consumption. Conclusion. Fermented honey garlic offers health benefits, from boosting the immune system to aiding digestion and promoting overall wellness. By incorporating this natural remedy into your routine, you can harness the potent antimicrobial and antioxidant properties of honey-infused garlic. Making fermented honey garlic at home is a simple and rewarding process that can easily become a staple in your wellness arsenal. Don't hesitate to try these natural remedies and discover the amazing benefits they can offer for your health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.